Hey everyone, welcome back to By Ambition. In this video, I'll show you how to block pop-ups in Safari on a Mac. Blocking pop-ups helps reduce distractions and improves your browsing experience. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up Safari on your Mac, which I already have right here. Step 2. In the menu bar at the top, click Safari and then select Settings. At the top of the Settings window, click Websites. From the left sidebar, click Pop-up Windows. You might have to scroll down, and it's going to be right here. At the bottom right, next to when visiting other websites, select Block by clicking here, then click Block. And that's it. You have successfully blocked pop-ups in Safari on Mac. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to By Ambition, and I'll see you in the next one.